everybody, welcome back to my channel, Mrs. Buitenbeentje. You guys are here for lookbook number 3 of the fall fashion mood board of the Sew Your Design, Sew Your Wardrobe workshop by Seamwork. I chose 2 projects that were in my project graveyard, which is a miniskirt by Fashionstyle, the very first edition, and Fashionstyle is based on Patrones, which is the Spanish magazine of patterns. And the second thing that I chose is the Lisa cardigan by Seamwork. I had to throw Seamwork in this mood board. I mean, in this entire thing, I chose 2 in total. Both of them are from the project graveyard. That means that I already started, I cut out the fabric and everything. This fabric is a sweater fabric with fleece lining. It is by Budget Stoffe. I bought it maybe 2 years ago, and my issues is the hem. That's where I got stuck and I didn't finish it, but it's almost done. It just needs some cuffs, the buttonholes, buttons, and top stitching, and then it's done. The other one is I just wanted to show you the fabric because the skirt is already done. I already wore it. That ship has sailed. It is amazing. But that is this fabric right here. This fabric is amazing to work with. It is a suede scuba. It has the green leaves printed on it. I really like them together. It's giving fall. It is. And I remember that I bought 1 meter of this. I bought it at driezestoffe.nl, and I don't think they still have it, but they do have more suede scuba, so I'll just put the link in the description box and then you guys can check if there's something there that you like. It's not an affiliate link because I'm not getting paid for this. And then the over the knee boots. So this is upcycle/repair. I have these boots for more than 10 years. The elastic was getting the elastic wasn't working. So I used my seam ripper to rip it all, to open up the seams. I put in the elastic. It's just not tight enough yet. So I think I would have to do it over. It's a do-over. This shoe has had a repair in heel, a repair on the front, but oh well. I mean, it's still good, it's still giving, it's still doing, and that's what I want. This outfit might be a little much for work, but then again, I only live once, and overdress, that should be my middle name. And so, as always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid to comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. Have a great day.